Her er så 3 forskellige makeup tutorials for dem, der ikke ved, hvilket spor de skal følge.
It's a little blurry how the whole thing started. I don't even really know what you intended. Thought that you were cute and you could make me jealous. Poured it down, so I poured it down. Next thing that I know, I'm in a hotel with you. You were talking deep like it was mad love to you. You wanted my heart, but I just liked your tattoos. Poured it down, so I poured it down. And now I don't understand it. You don't mess with love, you mess with the truth. And I know I shouldn't say it, but my heart don't understand why I got you on my mind. Why I got you on my mind. Why I got you on my mind. Why I got you on my heart don't understand why I got you on my mind. 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 Eyes made their peace in difficulties, with wounded lips and salted cheeks. And finally we step to leave, to the departure lounge of disbelief. And I don't know where I'm going, but I know it's gonna be a long time. And I'll be leaving in the morning on the white wine, bitter sunlight. Wanna hear your beating heart tonight, before the bleeding sun comes to life. It's our strangest feeling this way for you. There's something the way you move, something the way you move. With you I'm dead.